Turmeric versus ibuprofen. My name's Dave. I'm a pharmacist. And the reason I'm talking about this is because people used to approach me a lot asking about turmeric. Is it good for arthritis? And I heard from several people that they thought it was. So I wanted to look into this personally. Here's a study from 2014, Curcuma domestica extracts, that's basically turmeric, compared with ibuprofen. They had 367 people with osteoarthritis of the knee, divided them into two groups. The one group received turmeric, 500 milligrams 3 times a day. They received an extract of turmeric. And then the other group got ibuprofen, 400 milligrams 3 times a day. And I just want to point out the normal dose for ibuprofen for osteoarthritis is 300 to 800 milligrams, roughly about 3 times a day. So this is a low to moderate dose of ibuprofen that they're comparing the turmeric extract to. So it's kind of like, they could have compared it to a stronger dose of the ibuprofen, but I will say at higher doses, ibuprofen is more dangerous. If you take ibuprofen at a high dose for a long period of time, it increases the risk of heart attack and stroke, gastrointestinal bleeding, ulceration. So the dose they chose is good enough. Could have been a little higher, but good enough. So they did this for 4 weeks. And what they found was that the turmeric extract was as good as the ibuprofen. And they measured pain reduction and functional improvement. And turmeric was just as good, also better tolerated. So 7 people in the ibuprofen group dropped out of the study because of adverse events, compared to just 1 patient in the turmeric extract group. So that's good news. So 2021 study, this is a different study. They're looking at turmeric extract again for knee osteoarthritis versus paracetamol. Now, what's paracetamol? That's, in America, that's acetaminophen, otherwise known as Tylenol. So in this study, they had 144 people, divided them into 2 groups. One group received the turmeric extract, 500 milligrams twice a day. The other group got the Tylenol, 650 milligrams 3 times a day. And I want to point out once again, the dose, the paracetamol dose here, 650 milligrams 3 times a day. Is that enough? Are they comparing it to like a strong dose? Well, let me tell you, nope. It's a little bit low. Paracetamol, 650 milligrams 3 times a day would only be 1,950 milligrams a day. Typically for osteoarthritis, you're looking at a dose of Tylenol roughly 3,000 to 4,000 milligrams a day. So this is a bit of a weak dose. So they're comparing the turmeric extract to this. That could potentially make the turmeric extract look a little bit better than it actually is. But what they found was, when compared at that dose, the turmeric extract was as good as the paracetamol. And that's in terms of physical function, pain alleviation, and the stiffness of the knee. Also, in this study, they found that the turmeric was better tolerated. So you can see the turmeric group experienced mild adverse events at a rate less than half of that of the paracetamol group. Also, turmeric has antimicrobial, antioxidant, anti-cancer, and antiviral activity. So potential other benefits to turmeric. The question is, what is the optimal dose of turmeric? And we can't really answer that question from the information given, but if you look at paper 1 and 2 that I showed here, the dose was roughly 1 to 1.5 grams of turmeric a day. Now keep in mind, in both papers they were doing turmeric extracts, so it wasn't just regular turmeric powder. So the conversion is a bit wonky, but if you're looking at this and you're trying to ballpark it, 1 to 1.5 grams a day, that equates to about a quarter teaspoon. So I'm just going to say, we can't say exactly what the optimal dose is, but roughly speaking, a quarter teaspoon a day should be good. And you can integrate the turmeric into your cooking. If you're cooking vegetables, for instance, or if you're making a smoothie, that's a good option too, because you can just blend it in there and you probably won't even taste it. So those are some ideas for you. Thanks for tuning in. That's all for today. See you next time.